advanced troubleshooting steps you can try to fix the Diablo IV was unable to open a critical file error on PC Game Pass 2024. Verify game files. 1. Open the Xbox app. 2. Go to My Library. 3. Find Diablo IV and click the three dots next to it. 4. Select Manage Game and then Files. 5. Verify the integrity of the game files by clicking the Verify button. This process checks for missing or corrupted files and attempts to fix them. Clear link to battle.net cache. 1. Close the link to battle.net app completely. Check Task Manager for any lingering processes. 2. Press the Windows key +R to open the Run dialog box. 3. Type %local app data link to battle.net and press Enter. This opens the link to battle.net cache folder. 4. Delete all the files and folders within this directory. Caution: this will clear your link to battle.net download cache and other settings. 5. Restart your PC and launch link to battle.net to see if the error persists. Clean reinstall link to battle.net. 1. Uninstall link to battle.net completely using the control panel or settings app on your PC. 2. Manually delete any leftover link to battle.net folders, C program files, x86, link to battle.net. %local app data link to battle.net. You can access this folder using the method mentioned in clear link to battle.net cache. 3. Restart your PC. 4. Download and reinstall the latest version of link to battle.net from the official website, link to download.battle.net. Run as administrator. 1. Right-click on the link to battle.net launcher icon. 2. Select Run as administrator. 3. Try launching Diablo IV through link to battle.net. This can sometimes resolve permission issues.